This is our day of giving, and we've spent the morning putting together food boxes, and now everything's going to be picked up and delivered. So it's been a morning. It is rainy. It's terrible. I'm gonna get me some racks and eat. I have not eaten since this morning at work when I had a sausage biscuit, and it's already 7:09. So yeah, let's eat. Well, so I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna talk to you, and I don't know if this will be considered mukbang, but okay. I got my twisty fries. I went to Rax, by the way. Did I mention that? Or anyway, okay. So, and I got a BBC beef bacon cheddar. And ours is one of the only racks left in the country. And it's so good. It really is. Beef, bacon, and cheddar. Okay. On my beef, bacon, and cheddar, oh, they give me lots of napkins. On my beef, bacon, and cheddar, I have to have barbecue sauce. And I have to have just a touch, that's what I call it, a touch, of horseradish. So let me get this on here. We did our day of giving, our day of service today, and it was so nice. We, you know, all of us came together, helped get those food boxes organized, and you know, got them out there. Some came and picked them up, some delivered, and it was just it was a nice thing we did. I love my work family, which got me thinking about, you know, it's almost Thanksgiving. We're less than a week away, and I was thinking about what I was thankful for. And you know, I'm thankful for all the normal stuff that everybody should be thankful for. A home, family, food on the table, a job, life. But I tell you what, I am super, super thankful for my work family. And I'm telling you, there are people I work with who, if in the middle of the night at 2 a.m. in the morning, we'll say, if I called and said, I need you, can you come to me? They'd be there. No hesitation. And you know, that's when you know you have a really good job and you work for a really good place. Not everybody has that. So I'm very thankful for that. I want to say that it did not amaze me at the people who showed up today to do this day of service, to help with these boxes. I heard somebody say, well, it surprised me, you know, that they all showed up. It didn't surprise me at all. I work with a really, really good group of people. But anyway, in other news, I did that this morning. Got to work a little before 8 o'clock. We did that. Got off work. Went to a visitation at the Loyal Funeral Home. And then I realized I hadn't eaten. This morning, one of our work family had bought all of us sausage biscuits from McDonald's and brought. And that's all I had till this. So, I'm hungry. Then, in other news, I went yesterday and filed to run for mayor of Loyal. Like I said, I'm not a politician. I do enjoy politics. Talking about debating and such. But I never thought I would run for an office. But I did. So, you might see me on the campaign trail. Like, really. It's a small town that needs a lift. And I really believe that I could do some stuff. But I'm not going to burden my YouTube channel down with all this stuff. No. This is for everyday life. Whew. It's going to be busy. It's going to be really busy. But I can do this. So there's how it's going for me. These fries are really good. I usually get cheese sauce with them, but I didn't this time. And before I leave, before I let you go, I'm going to take a bite of this, give you my opinion, which I can already tell you, every time I've ever gotten one of these, amazing. So good. Okay, let's try it. Always hits the spot. So what are you thankful for? Let me know in the comments. Like I said, my most thankful is for my work family. Just to give a little shout out here. Diana, Betty, Paula, that's my backbone. And there are too many to name, but that's the ones I depend on the most. But like I said, everybody else that works here, if you called them 2 a.m. in the morning and said, I need you to come to me, they'd be there. No questions asked. And I'm really thankful for that. So, okay, guys, have a good evening. And I'll see you in my next video. I'll try to get out and go somewhere tomorrow. Bye.